Welcome to our latest video. This is Roam Beyond Limits, where we explore an abandoned farmhouse. And as we walked up the long lane towards this house, we noticed there's police tape on the outside. What happened here? Well, we still didn't know if it was abandoned or if it was still occupied. But we was not expecting what we found within the farmhouse. We found an abandoned recording studio, hidden and away. Did someone famous record at this studio? We do not know. Let's see if we can discover and find out who might have recorded the studio or whatever else we could find as we explore this abandoned farmhouse in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by trees. Join us on our latest explore as we explore the whole of the house, the outer buildings, and finally see the abandoned recording studio and see what was left behind in this video. Let's go.
So you got a new sign there, but it looks like one of them signs, you know, where about a dangerous building. Them bins haven't been moved in ages because they're green.
Is that police station over there? Yeah. No. Did you? You're over there. I'm really feeling about this. It's good character, isn't it?
Don't think so, no. It's gotta be. Look at the window. Look at the window. Fucking hell. All the windows are smashed. All the windows smashed on the main building around there as well. Dangerous building, unsafe building, keep out.
We've got entrance.
Yeah. So we went up here, took the risk because it did look like it was in use, got into the grounds, found out it is abandoned. There's police tape everywhere. Police tape, so all this would have been taped off. So there's police tape here and up in the field over there. So I don't know what we found. Let's go and find out.
This is the kitchen.
Pizza oven. Hazardous handle. Washing machine. Boiler. Then another toilet. Look at the skylights. So we're in the house. Massive. There's the stairs.
Yeah.
Another fireplace. Fucking slipping on rock now.
This place has got a basement.
Then I go upstairs. First person to go upstairs. Duvets. That's not a good sign. Well, let's see. Walk-in wardrobe. This is the bathroom too. Don't even see it here, but that white tape over there, it's police tape. There's police tape in here as well. Crime Stoppers. You saw it in here? No way, that's ace. It's like a jacuzzi. More police tape. Crime Stoppers. Shower. So this ain't actually been badly trashed. Do you like the bath?
I like the bath. Police tape and all in it.
Yeah. Next floor. It's the attic room. Empty. Toilet rats have been in here. All empty. Unbroken mirror. And another shower. That's the house we're just in. There's still more to it, but I want to check out this blue tape. Let's check out this. Then we got here, we weren't sure if it's abandoned. And then we saw the broken windows and thought, oh, it could be. And in this section here is what got us as well. Blue tape. Police tape, Crime Stoppers tape surrounding this whole section. As if some kind of murder happened. Literally circling this whole patch. Literally the whole of this section. So I don't know what that is. But the place is definitely abandoned, even though we weren't 100% sure. Sheds. Haven't found access to the basement, so I'm going to check this out first. So this is used for something. chair. We're in another kitchen.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, man.
Yeah, there's a picture of that as well.
You need to figure out who owned the place because this is just getting weirder.
I know.
Full on studio. And police tape again. This would have been the singing booth looking at it. Yeah, mic 1, mic 2. So this room would have been for the mic. Would have been for the bands. This. Agencies.
Yeah, I was.
Try and jump on you, out on you, or going to jump on someone else, but that didn't work because no one turned up. And that's probably because they found this studio.
Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.